Hi, this is Katura with BlueNotary, and today we're going to look at how we can create an invoice and also look at our invoices. So here on our home screen, we're going to go to this left window here, and we're going to pick Transactions. And so here I have the option to look at an invoice and create an invoice. Right now I like to create an invoice. So I'm going to go here to this button and I'm going to select a session that I've done to invoice. I'm going to select this session. I'm going to put in my customer's email. And I'm going to give it an internal reference number. So this was a general notary work, and so I'm going to put GNW. I'm going to put my customer's name, and I'm going to put a date. So let's try August 2025. And here is the notary fee that I am charging for the notarization. And I can add more information if I'd like, but this looks fine to me. So I'm going to create and send invoice. And I see that the invoice has been created successfully. Now I can download this document. I can copy the invoice link if I want to send it in an email, for instance, and I can also view the invoice. So let's view the invoice. Let's see what it looks like. And here I have a view of what the invoice will look like. And so I can see that it's $25, and I can see that this gives the person, the client, how they'd like to pay. So let's go back here, and I'm going to download the invoice PDF document. Okay, so now it's downloaded to my device. So what I'm going to do is look for this invoice in my files. And so now I can see the invoice that I downloaded here, and I can open up the PDF. And here is the invoice as a PDF. And I can see that it's sent to my client, and I can also see that it gives them the option to pay online. They can open it, and it will take them to a place where they can pay again. So that is how you can create an invoice and see what it looks like. I hope that helped. Thanks for being a part of the BlueNotary family. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.